This is the new Viscount Wild Shark. In fact, it's so new that the van behind me is the actual prototype. It's the first semi-off-roader Viscount have produced, so it's exciting times. Let's go have a look. The Wild Shark can handle Australia's harshest roads. With its Alco independent suspension with shocks, 6-inch A-frame return-to-spring hanger and 15-inch all-terrain wheels and tyres. It's got a spectacular modern black pack interior featuring sink, vanity, tapware and handles. The all-new mouse grey composite aluminium exterior finish with steel peel checker plate and grey J mould. Love it. The Wild Shark has all new top-of-the-range Thetford components, including the 208-litre Bounty fridge, China bowl toilet and full gas oven. Pure luxury with timber frame using a number of lightweight timbers, including Meranti. It has a CNC-cut modern interior featuring dual-tone covered gloss doors and built-in LED strip lighting. The Wild Shark is free camp ready. It's got a grey water tank, 2 times 95-litre fresh water and 2 times 170-watt solar panels. It's got a top-of-the-range BM Pro HA 35-amp charger with digital Trek display. Well, that was Viscount's very first semi-off-roader, the Wild Shark. What a magnificent van packed with luxury and features, but it's time to hit the road.